Hey everyone, it's Betzy Vazquez, CEO of B369 Construction. Today, I'm unboxing an essential piece of safety gear that every construction site needs. This is going to be our new Pyramex HP14110 Hard Hat. Safety is always a top priority at B369. So let's take a look and see what makes this hard hat a great choice for our team.
Let's list the key features and benefits. The first one is its durable shell. This hard hat is made from high-density polyethylene, making it lightweight yet incredibly strong for impact protection. Inside, we have a 4-point ratchet suspension. This allows for quickly and easy adjustments, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for every worker. One thing I love about this model is its low-profile design, which provides better balance and stability compared to bulkier hard hats. It also features universal accessory slots, so we can easily add face shields, earmuffs, or other safety gear as needed. And lastly, with the ratchet adjustment system, workers can fine-tune the fit with just one hand. No more struggling with uncomfortable gear on site.
The Pyramex HP14110 SL Hard Hat is just one of the many ways that we prioritize safety at B369 Construction. If you're in the construction industry, make sure that you're equipping your team with the best protection out there. Let us know in the comments what's your go-to for safety gear on site. And if you're a contractor or a builder looking to work with a team that values safety and quality, reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and see you on site.